Menopause is a natural milestone in life, but the symptoms, hot flashes, mood swings, weight gain, can be challenging. Did you know that cortisol, the stress hormone, plays a significant role in how severe these symptoms feel? In this video, we'll explore the connection between menopause and cortisol and share 5 actionable strategies to manage symptoms naturally. Stay with us to learn how to reclaim your energy, improve your mood, and feel balanced again. Let's dive in. Cortisol is your body's built-in alarm system, released by the adrenal glands in response to stress. While it's essential for energy and focus, too much cortisol over time can disrupt your body's balance, especially during menopause. Menopause already comes with hormonal changes that affect sleep, mood, and weight. Add high cortisol levels to the mix, and symptoms like brain fog, anxiety, and fatigue can worsen. Understanding and managing cortisol is key to feeling your best during this transition. During menopause, your body's natural estrogen and progesterone levels drop. These hormones usually help regulate cortisol. Without them, cortisol spikes can become more frequent, amplifying menopause symptoms. Symptoms like insomnia, irritability, and even stubborn belly fat are linked to cortisol imbalances. But don't worry, there are natural ways to bring your cortisol levels back to balance. What you eat directly affects your cortisol levels. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds to reduce inflammation. Magnesium, found in almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate, to promote relaxation. Antioxidants from berries and green vegetables to combat stress. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and excessive caffeine, which can trigger cortisol spikes. Exercise is a natural cortisol regulator. Focus on moderate intensity activities like walking, yoga, or swimming. These activities boost endorphins and calm your nervous system. Avoid overdoing high-intensity workouts, which can elevate cortisol. Aim for 30 minutes of movement daily to feel your best. Sleep is crucial for cortisol regulation. During menopause, it can be harder to fall asleep, but simple steps can help. Create a calming bedtime routine. Try herbal teas and meditation. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. A good night's sleep helps reset your cortisol levels, leaving you refreshed. Stress management is essential. Mindfulness techniques, like meditation and deep breathing, are scientifically proven to reduce cortisol. Even just 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Apps like Calm or Headspace can guide you through easy relaxation exercises. Supplements can play a crucial role in managing cortisol and alleviating menopause symptoms. One product that stands out is Rescue TM, specifically designed to support hormonal balance and reduce the impact of stress during menopause. Rescue TM combines adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and rhodiola, known for their ability to regulate cortisol, with other natural ingredients that promote energy, improve mood, and support overall well-being. Here's why so many women are turning to Rescue TM. It helps reduce cortisol spikes caused by stress, supports restful sleep and emotional balance, combines science-backed ingredients for holistic menopause relief. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. But if you're looking for a targeted solution, Rescue TM could be a game changer in your menopause journey. Taking control of menopause symptoms is within reach, and supplements like Rescue TM can make the journey easier. By combining this with balanced nutrition, mindful movement, and relaxation techniques, you can feel like yourself again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Share this video with a friend who might benefit. And for more information on Rescue TM and other resources, visit our blog at alphatrolley.com. You'll find everything you need to support your well-being naturally.